Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. With this episode, we will be building part 5-19, the driven gear bush for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, so let's go File, New, Part MMGS. We'll go Front, Sketch. It's going to be, let's see, one circle. Yeah, one circle. It's going to be Smart Dimension of 50. It's going to be a extrusion of 5. That's going to be mid-plane. Mid-plane definitely come handy. There's one that they can work out either way. And that's going to be brass. Let's go metal, brass. Do that one there. Okay, go back to front plane. We want front plane not there, or they can do it there, but front plane. Sketch. It's going to be a circle. Make sure it's in the middle. That's in the middle. Thought it wasn't for a minute. It's going to be smart dimension of 25. Now it's going to be extruded out of, let's see, 22.5 one way, then the other direction will be 12.5. So 2.5, 2.55, that's the thickness of this. So that's why the mid plane. Now if you've done the edge there, you go, was it 20 out, then 15 that way. So there's different ways you can do it. Either way work, neither's wrong. And there's probably other ways you can do as well. Okay, so that's there. Let me go to this end plane this time. Sketch, circle. Touch on that, make sure that was it. Yep, that was it. That's going to be measurement of 19. And that's going to be feature, extrude, cut, through all, and done. There we go, that part's done. Now there's no thread on this, is there? No, there's no thread, okay. This part here, this face here, we'll go normal to, sketch, click outside this, unhighlight everything. We want one circle, and that circle will be construction line, and that's going to be 40. And that's going to be circle, which we're going to put actually let me do not that one. Oop. Center line, vertical. Now circle here, we just want to put one in. That's going to be a radius of 5, and that's not threaded either. No, that's not threaded either. Okay, 5. Now we want to do a linear sketch pattern, but we want to do a circular pattern. So we want, let's see now, we want that one, but we only want 3. There we go, 360 degrees, goes round there, perfect, that's what we want. Feature, extrude, cut, let's see, through all, and done. Oh, hold on. Ooh. Did I sketch? Oh. Edit sketch. I think I've got click OK. Circular. I've got click OK up here, I think. Not for all 3, thank you. That circle. Okay, there we go. I've got click OK there, I went out there, so exit out of that. There we go. And that piece is done. So that's part 5-19, the driven gear bush done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click like button, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate it. Welcome new subscribers. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.